Activating GBP Withdrawal on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that allows users to withdraw British pounds from their accounts. To begin, ensure you have a verified Crypto.com account and have completed the necessary Know Your Customer requirements. First, log into your Crypto.com account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section, where you will see a list of your available balances. Click on the GBP balance to access the GBP wallet. Next, click on the Withdraw button, and then select the GBP Withdrawal option. You will be prompted to add a new withdrawal method, which in this case is a bank account. Click on the Add Bank Account button and enter your bank account details, including the account number, sort code, and account holder name. After entering your bank account details, review the information to ensure it is accurate. If everything is correct, click Confirm to add the bank account. Your bank account will then be linked to your Crypto.com account, and you can proceed with the withdrawal. To initiate a withdrawal, enter the amount of GBP you wish to withdraw and select the bank account you just added. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and any applicable fees, and then click Confirm to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that Crypto.com may require additional verification steps or have specific withdrawal limits in place. Always review the platform's terms and conditions and ensure you comply with all requirements before initiating a withdrawal. By following these steps, you can easily activate GBP Withdrawal on Crypto.com and withdraw your funds to your bank account. Remember to always prioritize security and only use reputable platforms like Crypto.com for your cryptocurrency transactions.